Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to list a product on Gumroad, or basically make a listing. All right, so first up, go ahead and open up your Gumroad account. And then once done, at the very top, you have new product with a new product button. So just go ahead and click on it. Wait for it to load. Once it loads, go ahead and select either you wanted to list a digital product, a course, an ebook, membership, bundle, or services. All right. So for example, you just wanted to list a digital product. Well, go ahead and give it a name. For example, sample coloring book. All right. Now, once that's done, give it a price right here at the very bottom, maybe $10. And then scroll up, click on next, customize. Now go ahead and enter a clear descriptive title for your item. And then scroll down, give it a custom URL, for example, coloring book. All right. Just like so. Give it a cover and a thumbnail. Now, if you don't know how to create a thumbnail, we have a separate video for that. You can go ahead and check our channel out. So let's say, for example, this is just the thumbnail. Now go ahead and scroll down and change the settings right here however you want, as this one totally depends on you. All right. And once that's set up, go ahead and go to content, as this is the most important thing or place where we should upload our specific product. Now go ahead and upload files from here. And if you want to, you can go ahead and add in some text, maybe product, and then upload a file from your computer files if you want to. Let's say just this one. I'm going to click on open, wait a bit. And once done, finally, you can now go ahead and click on save changes and publish and continue. But before you can click on publish and continue, make sure that you have to set up your payouts account. And if you don't know how to set up your payouts account, we have, again, a separate video for that. Go to check our channel out. So publish and continue, you'll be given a link that you can go ahead and share to your social media platforms. All right. And that's how simple it is to list a product on Gumroad. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.